World of Concrete 2018 coverage is brought to you by DeWalt. Check them out at DeWalt.com.
Hilti 2018 World of Concrete, out here with Blair. Look how excited this guy looks, man. We're about to see something super cool right here. What do we got, Blair?
Alright, we got the DSH 900, which is our 16-inch gas saw. We take a gas saw that needs to be water compliant or OSHA compliant, and what we do is we throw a water system on it. In order to make care of the water system, what we do is we added on our DSHP, which is our pump system. So instead of having a water buffalo, having a hose that's super long to be able to use it, I can now take this, throw it into a 5-gallon bucket, have enough water to be able to go through and run. So as the saw turns and the blade turns, it sucks water out of the bucket. Once it sucks it out of the bucket and the saw blade stops, the water stops.
Oh wow.
I don't waste water anymore, and I can make it compliant in one quick and easy solution.
Wow, that's pretty cool. Now, this concrete, is it a 4-stroke or a 2-stroke? Man, that's pretty awesome.
It's good fun.
Yeah.
You want to see it?
Yeah, let's see it.
All right, we'll fire it up for you.
You guys, you always want to wear your head protection and stuff like that. We got this stuff.
Once I turn the motor on, it's when it starts. And I filter. I got my water in the bucket. Water moving around.
Blair, can you do one more?
The impressive part that you see is in the beginning as the water starts. Once it quits spinning, no more water sucked out of it. Wow. So I don't have to worry about losing all the water that I have on a job site, which is what happens before we have this.
Okay, how does it know that?
Because it's ran by the blade. Whenever the blade runs around, the centrifugal force takes it, sucks the water out.
Oh.
Once it stops spinning, no more water sucked out.
Wow.
All good stuff.
Innovation, you guys. Hilti, check it out. Tools in action.
For more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.